Alright, so I was trying to figure out how to put this in here. And I thought, my first thought was this one, but then I thought, no, maybe it's this one. It's smaller and it's almost the right size. But I don't know. And that's why it comes with instructions, which people would and should probably read at some point. But I like pictures more. There's no picture on it. Why don't they give you pictures with it? Practically useless. Oh, that's someone else to read it. But you know what? It came with some screws of some sort. So maybe the screws are what you need in here. Nuts and bolts and stuff. Some kind of thing there. Anyway, I'll figure this out and we'll see you next.
Likey